Hello children, welcome to our maths class. Unit 12 Smart Chart. In our previous video, we have learned till page number 164. Now in this video, we will start with page number 165. Now let's see what is there on page number 165. Hot and cold. Have you seen the weather report on TV or in a newspaper? We all see the weather report on the TV or on the newspaper. In that, we can see that in the news, they show the daily temperature of some cities by using such types of bars, isn't it? These bars are called as a bar graph. What are they called as? The bar graph. A very simple example about bar graph is, students, if you have seen the matches, if you have seen match of one day, or you have your best example is you have seen the 2020 IPL. In that match, they shows up some of the bars after some 5 overs or 10 overs, where they shows us that in which over highest runs were scored, how many runs were scored. So by looking at that bar, we can analyze that the bar whose height is the most, at that over the maximum runs were scored. Instead of looking the rate that in 1 over 5 runs, 2 over 7 runs, 3 over like that, but directly if we can see the bars, we can directly analyze that in which over maximum or minimum runs were scored. So as previously also I told, by looking at the picture we can understand fast. We can analyze faster than looking the data. So that's why only the data is been represented in the form of picture. Here also the data are being represented in the form of bar graph. This is what it is known as the bar graph, where you can see the bars. The each and individual this one is known as the bars. They are known as bars. Okay, so now here on 1st June and 1st December, the weather reports are shown with the help of the bar graph. This shows the highest temperature in degrees Celsius in 4 cities on 2 different days. The cities are Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer. Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer. 4 cities are there, and then temperature is shown on a degree Celsius. This is the temperature: 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40. Both there are here. The date here is 1st June and the date here is 1st December. So we are supposed to see that on which 1st June Delhi the temperature was 33 degrees Celsius. Simla was 22 degrees Celsius, here is 20, little more than it, 22. Bangalore it is 28 degrees Celsius. Jaisalmer 38 degrees Celsius. We know that in temperature, the temperature which is lesser, the place it will be having more cold, it will be colder. The temperature higher, the place will be hotter. 1st December, Delhi 23, Shimla 10 degrees Celsius, Bangalore 24 degrees Celsius and Jaisalmer 25 degrees Celsius temperature is there. Now looking on these two bar graphs, there are some of the questions are related to this. Let's solve the question. Which city is the hottest on 1st June? 1st June, which city is having the maximum temperature? Hottest, 33, 22, 28, 38. So maximum is 38, which is that is Jaisalmer, because Jaisalmer is having 38 degrees Celsius, nearer to 40. So it is the maximum, is the hottest. Which city is the hottest on 1st June? We will write down Jaisalmer. Next, which city is the coldest on 1st December? Which city is the coldest on 1st December? Coldest means the temperature should be less, isn't it? So Delhi 23, Shimla 10, Bangalore 24, Jaisalmer 25. So out of this all, the less temperature is of Shimla. So on 1st December, Shimla will be the coldest place. Which cities shows little change in temperature on the 2 days, 1st June and 1st December? Which cities is having the little change? Little means very less change both the cities are having in their temperature. See, Delhi on 1st June it is 33, on 1st December it is 23, 10 degrees Celsius difference. Shimla 1st June it is 22, 1st December it is 10, 22 minus 10, 12 degree. Here we can write down the difference. Delhi is 10 degrees difference, Shimla is having 12 degree difference. Bangalore 1st June 28, 1st December 24, so 4 degrees Celsius difference is there, okay. Jaisalmer 38 and 25, 38 and 25, so 13 degree difference is there. So which city, you can see that which city is having less difference? So less difference is of Bangalore, which is only of 4 degree Celsius. So there is no only little change is there in this city. Which city shows the little change? So we will write down Bangalore. Bangalore, okay. Now, understood students? So this we are supposed to do in the textbook only. Now, let's see on the try yourself. It is an activity you can do by yourself. On any one day, choose any 3 cities and record their temperature from the TV or newspaper and make a bar graph for that. You can take the cities of our Gujarat. You can take the 4 cities: Surat, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Bhavnagar, Rajkot, Jamnagar. You can select some of the cities from there, and then you can write down the temperature of these cities. Now let's see what is there on page number 166. Rabbit in Australia. Earlier there were no rabbits in Australia. Rabbits were brought to Australia around the year 1780. Which year they have brought? 1780. At that time there were no animals in Australia. In 1780s, in rabbits when they were brought, there were no animal in Australia which ate rabbit. There were no animals in Australia which ate rabbit. So the rabbit began to multiply at a very fast rate. So the rabbits were increasing. The number of rabbits were increasing in Australia at a very fast rate. Imagine what they did to the crops. So they were damaging the crops at very fast and very high rate. The table shows how the rabbit grew every year. So here is a table, students. In this table, let's see how do the rabbits increase. We are supposed to find out that pattern. Okay, how do the rabbit increase? Because on this chart, there are different questions are given here which we are supposed to answer. What are the questions? Let's see. After each year, the number of rabbit was, that we are supposed to tell. At the end of 6 years, the number of rabbit was close to. Here we have only the 5 years. 6 years we don't know. So we are supposed to complete this table first. We are supposed to understand that how is the pattern done. After which year did the number of rabbit cross thousands? So that is so. Now let's see, students, what does the table tell us. Starting time at the number of rabbits were 10. In the first year, the number of rabbits were 10. In the second start, so they are started with the 10 rabbits. In 1 year, the rabbit has become 18. What does they become? 18. Okay. Second year, when it was, the rabbit was 32. So it is increasing. Students, can you see that 10 and 18? We can see that when first started 10, in the first year it was 18. So if we can, it is less than its double. So first of all, let us double it. Okay, what is if we can double it? 10 multiplied by 2. Double. What did we get? 20. And 18 is how much less than 20? 18 is 2 less than 20. So I will take 2. Then we will get 18. Just see the patterns. Okay, students? By doing this, multiplying 10 by 2, we get 20, and subtracting 2 from that, I got 18. This is the number of rabbit of the first year. Similarly, 32. If we double 18, we will get 36. But here the number is 32. Let's again see the pattern. Let's check the pattern. Double 18 2s are 36. Now, how much we are supposed to subtract from 36? So we get 32? 4. Now we will get 32. This we got 18. This we got 32. Now 30 to the next number is 58. So now we can see the pattern. Double the number and we can subtract the even numbers. Okay, 2, 4 and this. We can subtract the even numbers. Okay, now 32 when it is doubled, we get 64. 64 minus after 4, which is the even number, 6. We will get 58. Now same pattern we are supposed to follow. 58, we will double it. We will get how much? 50 plus 50, 100. 8 plus 8, 16. So 116. 6 minus 8. So we will get 108. Now 108 multiplied by 2. We get 216. 16 minus 10 after 8, the next alternate number is 10, or we can take the even number also, 10. So we will get 216 minus 10, 206. The next number will be 206. Multiply by 2, we will get 412 minus 10 after 12, so we will get 400. So after 6 years, the number of rabbit will be 400. Now what next? 400 multiplied by 2, we get 800. 800 minus 14, we get 786. So in the 7th year, if we see, we get 786. Okay, now this was the pattern. Now let's see what about the pattern. After each year, the number of rabbit was, there are options, a little less than double the number of rabbit in the last year, double the number in the last year, 8 more than the number in the last year, more than double the number of rabbit in the last year. So it is first one, a little less than the double the number. Double, we have double, 10 2s are 20, and little less. So little less than the double the number of the rabbit, A option. Second one, at the end of 6 years, the number of rabbit was closer to. At the end of 6 years, after 6 years, at the end of 6 years, and 6 years is completed, isn't it? 6 years, after the end of 6 years, the okay, so the end of 6 years. Now it is the at the end of 6 years. So when 6 year was started, it was 400. So at the end of 6 years, we can see that it was nearer to, at the end of 6 years, number of rabbit was close to 800, isn't it? Because the 7th year starting is 786, the end of it will be 800. After which year did the number of rabbit cross 1000? 7 year it is 786. So after which year it will cross? So in the 8th year it will cross above 786. Okay, in 7 year we can get 786, isn't it? So after the completing of 7 years we will get that. So at which year, after which year did the number of rabbit cross 7? So we can write down after which year. So we can also write here 7 years. Okay, after 7 years we will get, after in 7 years it was 786. So after 7 years it was that we will get the number crossing more than 1000. Okay students, understood? This you are supposed to do it in your textbook only.